Fairfax County Public Schools is partnering with the Just Ask Human Trafficking Prevention campaign to bring attention and awareness to parents and community members in the West Springfield area, and to bring light and information on the topic of human trafficking. Human trafficking in Fairfax County involves a lot of our teen population. The Fairfax County Police Department has had 141 leads in the past 12 months, and 44% of those leads involve juveniles. So we think it's extremely important to bring parents together and bring community members together and provide them with the methods and tactics that the traffickers are using with our children, approaching them in public places, malls, online, and try and help parents understand what the problem is and how to address it, and what they can look for and how they can help the community. We want parents to know that the first myth is that it doesn't happen here. Well, it does happen here in Fairfax County, and that there are a lot of stakeholders that are trying to address the issue. We want parents to understand the issue. We want parents to get some tools in their toolkit and realize that they are the first line of defense with our students. And we want students to know what to look for in their peers, that this is not a secret they can keep, that if they think something is going on, that we want them to approach a trusted adult for help and resources. For more information on the topic, to include maybe questions that might be helpful for parents to ask their children to understand from a teen's perspective, parent or community, there is the justaskva.org website that was produced in cooperation with community experts and with our Fairfax County Police Department stakeholder partners.